Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Plustek SmartOffice PS286 Plus document scanner, the GuiTech AC adapter. Now, it's important to note right up front that this GuiTech adapter is a brand new replacement, not an original Plustek unit. However, that doesn't mean it compromises on quality or performance. In fact, it's engineered with several features that make it a compelling alternative for powering your scanner. One of the standout features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V. This means whether you're at home, in the office, or even traveling internationally, this adapter is designed to work seamlessly, eliminating the need for multiple power solutions or converters. It's truly a worldwide compatible power source. Safety is paramount, and GuiTech has clearly prioritized it. This adapter comes equipped with overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit output protection. These safeguards are incredibly important, providing peace of mind that your valuable scanner is protected from potential electrical mishaps, ensuring its longevity and your data's safety. Beyond safety, its high power exchange efficiency ensures a stable working environment for your scanner while keeping the adapter itself cool. Nobody wants an overheating power brick, and this design helps maintain optimal operating temperatures. Plus, its lightweight and short design make it incredibly convenient. It won't hog multiple outlets or add unnecessary bulk to your setup, whether it's on your desk or packed away for transport. The wall mount design further enhances its space-saving appeal. While it's primarily designed for the Plustek SmartOffice PS286 Plus, its general compatibility with printers, as listed, suggests a robust build quality. Just remember the crucial note. Always double-check that you're choosing the correct adapter for your specific device before ordering to ensure perfect compatibility. Overall, the GuiTech AC adapter presents itself as a highly reliable, safe, and efficient power solution for your Plustek scanner. It offers the essential power you need with added protection and convenience, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for a dependable replacement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.